I, speaking to you, David Mwaure Wahiga, party leader, Agano party and its presidential candidate, I met with these brothers and sisters and political party leaders at a personal level to start engaging with them and to engage with them. We have had very fruitful discussions and engagements, and we are coming from a certain perspective. And the perspective is Kenyans want to see new leadership in 2022, post or past 2022 August elections. Kenyans want leaders who bring real change. Kenyans also want leaders who will strengthen devolution. And that was one of the other points that we discussed. And the final one here, Kenyans want leaders who will fight all corruption, past, present, and future. Kenyans also have been saying to us, and that's why we met and we are engaging, that they are tired of recycling leaders. And part of their concern is, what is this new thing that people who have been there for the last 5, 10, 20, 30 years will do for Kenyans that they can't do for Kenyans now, they haven't done in the past? And they haven't done when there was Anglo-Leasing, Goldenberg, KEMSA, National Youth Service. So we have been engaging, and we are saying to you, which we have agreed, that we'll continue engaging, and very soon we will come to you with ways and means to go in which we feel we should go. We are not alone, we are working with others, and they will tell you various ones, that some are in civil society, others, I myself, am also with other groups, and we are talking, and we are looking forward to a time when we can come together. But also we are concerned by the other problem that Kenyans are facing. There are so many young people, there are so many women, there are so many people with disability who want to vie, and for them, they are finding like it is going to heaven is easier than getting a nomination ticket of a party. They have gone to these parties you are seeing, but right now what they are facing are frustrations. In one party they are being told, we have already secured our people we are going to give tickets. We have 156 MPs. In another one, they can see there is no hope. We have also met and resolved to tell all Kenyans that there is hope in these parties. There is room. Come and get your nomination certificates. We are not going to rig you. We are not going to play poker with you. And we come and help us so that post 2022, we can form another government. As a group, we are saying we want new leadership, not recycled leadership in 2022, and that there is hope for Kenya.